OpenAI, a pioneering organization in the field of artificial intelligence, has played a transformative role in today's tech landscape. At its core, OpenAI focuses on developing and promoting friendly AI for the benefit of humanity. The organization is renowned for creating advanced AI models, such as GPT-3 and GPT-4, which have showcased impressive capabilities in understanding and generating human-like text. This technology highlights a major leap in AI development, making OpenAI a central figure in discussions about the impact of AI on various sectors. The significance of OpenAI in the context of revolutionizing industries or potentially taking jobs cannot be overstated. It represents a shift towards automation and enhanced productivity across diverse fields, from customer service to creative industries. OpenAI's innovations are reshaping traditional workflows, leading to more efficient operations and new economic models. For instance, in the field of content creation, GPT-3 can generate articles, scripts, and even poetry, often indistinguishable from those written by humans. In customer service, AI-driven chatbots powered by OpenAI's technology provide immediate and accurate responses, enhancing customer experiences while reducing operational costs for businesses. Proponents of OpenAI's technologies argue that this development will lead to more creative and strategic job roles as AI handles repetitive and mundane tasks. This perspective sees AI as an enabler of human potential rather than a mere replacement, allowing individuals to focus on higher-level cognitive tasks and innovation. However, this transformative role comes with its own challenges and controversies. A major concern is the potential displacement of jobs, particularly in sectors vulnerable to automation. Critics argue that without proper safeguards, AI could exacerbate socioeconomic inequalities, with the benefits of AI advancements accruing to only a few. Additionally, issues related to data privacy and ethical use of AI-generated content pose significant challenges for regulatory bodies and society at large. The discussion around OpenAI's impact influences broader debates on the future of work and the social contract. It raises important questions about how societies can adapt to technological changes while ensuring equitable growth and opportunities for all. As industries continue to integrate AI into their operations, understanding OpenAI's role helps navigate the complex interplay between technological advancement, economic transformation, and social responsibility. This dialogue is crucial for shaping policies and organizational strategies that balance innovation with human-centric outcomes. Technological advancements driven by OpenAI refer to the substantial and innovative developments in artificial intelligence technology, largely influenced by OpenAI's research and applications. OpenAI, a prominent AI research organization, aims to ensure that artificial general intelligence, AGI, benefits all of humanity. This mission has spurred remarkable progress in AI capabilities, influencing a variety of sectors. The significance of these advancements lies in their dual potential to revolutionize industries by automating complex tasks, enhancing decision-making processes, and improving efficiency, while also raising concerns about job displacement and ethical considerations. OpenAI's technologies have led to real-world applications such as language models like GPT-3, which can generate human-like text and have been utilized in customer service, content creation, and even coding assistance. Another example is DALL-E, an AI model capable of generating images from textual descriptions, paving the way for innovations in design and media. These applications underscore OpenAI's role in pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve, thereby transforming industry standards and capabilities. Supporters of OpenAI's advancements argue that these technologies can lead to significant improvements in productivity, creativity, and accessibility. By handling repetitive and mundane tasks, AI technologies free up human resources for more strategic and creative roles. For AI can democratize access to information and tools, making advanced capabilities available to smaller businesses and individuals, promoting innovation and economic growth. However, the rapid advancement of AI technologies also poses challenges and controversies. There is a significant concern about job displacement, as AI tools can potentially automate roles traditionally performed by humans, leading to unemployment and economic disparity. Additionally, Ethical questions arise around AI decision-making, data privacy, and the potential for bias in AI algorithms. Critics call for careful management and regulation to mitigate these risks and ensure that AI's benefits are distributed equitably across society. This point connects to the broader topic by highlighting the dual nature of OpenAI's influence. While driving industrial innovation and efficiency, it also challenges traditional employment models and raises ethical concerns. As OpenAI continues to push technological boundaries, industries must balance integrating these advancements with addressing their socio-economic impacts. This ongoing dialogue will shape how society perceives and manages AI's role in the future, ultimately determining whether OpenAI's influence will be seen more as a revolutionary force or a disruptor of traditional job markets. The deep impact of OpenAI, revolutionizing industries or taking jobs, explores the transformative power of artificial intelligence, with a specific focus on its influence across various industries. The heading, Impact on Different Industries, a Closer Look, delves into how OpenAI technologies are reshaping traditional business landscapes. In essence, this concept evaluates both the positive advancements and the potential disruptions caused by AI integration in distinct sectors. The significance of examining industry-specific impacts lies in understanding the breadth of AI's influence. OpenAI's capabilities, like natural language processing and machine learning, hold the promise of optimizing processes, enhancing decision-making, and fostering innovation. For instance, in the healthcare sector, AI applications streamline diagnostics and personalized treatment plans, as seen with IBM's Watson and its ability to analyze medical literature rapidly. Similarly, in finance, AI algorithms facilitate algorithmic trading and fraud detection, improving efficiency and security. Supportive opinions highlight that these AI-driven efficiencies can lead to cost reductions, increased productivity, and the generation of new business models. Proponents argue that AI fosters competitive advantage and drives economic growth by enabling quicker adaptation to market changes. However, the integration of AI into industries is not without challenges or controversies. A primary concern is the potential displacement of jobs. Automation of routine tasks raises fears about unemployment and skill obsolescence, prompting calls for reskilling initiatives and workforce transition strategies. Additionally, ethical considerations regarding data privacy and AI biases present further hurdles, demanding regulatory frameworks and responsible AI practices. Alternative viewpoints also suggest that while AI might displace certain jobs, it simultaneously creates new roles that require human-AI collaboration. The technology is seen as a tool augmenting human capabilities rather than a replacement, fostering creativity and innovation in ways previously unimagined. This focus on industry impact connects back to the broader theme of whether OpenAI represents progress or poses risks to employment. As AI becomes more entrenched in everyday operations, its influence spills over to other societal aspects, such as education and policy development. Ultimately, the discussion emphasizes the dual nature of AI's impact, both as a revolutionary force and a potential disruptor, compelling stakeholders to navigate its adoption thoughtfully. Through this lens, industries can harness AI's transformative potential while mitigating its risks, ensuring a balanced and equitable progression into the future. OpenAI's role in enhancing productivity and efficiency is a significant element of its broader impact on modern industries. This concept revolves around using advanced artificial intelligence models, such as GPT-3 and its successors, to streamline operations, automate repetitive tasks, and facilitate decision-making processes across various sectors. Our idea is that OpenAI's technology can perform complex tasks quickly and accurately, reducing the time and resources traditionally required by human workers. The significance of this lies in its potential to revolutionize industries by drastically improving efficiency. For instance, in the healthcare sector, OpenAI's AI can analyze medical records, assist in diagnostics, and suggest treatment plans, allowing healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care. In finance, AI models can process vast amounts of data for risk assessment and fraud detection far more efficiently than human analysts, enabling faster and more informed decision-making. Real-world applications are already reflecting these advancements. One example is within customer service, where AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants handle routine inquiries, freeing human agents to tackle more complex issues. Another significant application is in content creation and marketing, where AI tools can generate personalized content at scale, optimizing marketing strategies and engagement efforts without the need for substantial human involvement. Support for this idea resonates among proponents who celebrate AI's ability to boost productivity and drive innovation. They argue that by taking over mundane tasks, AI allows humans to engage in more creative, strategic, and higher-order activities, effectively increasing the value and satisfaction of work. However, this concept is not without its challenges and controversies. Critics voice concerns over job displacement, fearing that automation could lead to significant workforce reductions. There is also anxiety about the reliance on AI and potential biases in AI-generated decisions, which could have far-reaching implications if not addressed responsibly. OpenAI's role in enhancing productivity and efficiency is intricately linked to the broader debate of revolutionizing industries versus taking jobs. While it promissory notes increased productivity and economic growth, it also necessitates careful consideration of workforce transition, ethical deployment, and regulatory frameworks. Thus, it is both a catalyst for industrial evolution and a pivotal point in discussions on the future of work, emphasizing the need for balanced integration of AI technologies. Successful navigation of these challenges could define whether AI's impact is predominantly positive or fraught with disruption.